Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's both crucial and a bit intimidating. How to file for bankruptcy without a lawyer in 2025. Whether you're dealing with overwhelming debt or just curious about your options, this guide will walk you through the basics. But remember, this isn't professional legal advice. Always consult an expert for your specific situation. First things first, understand why you might need this. Bankruptcy can offer a fresh start by eliminating or restructuring debts, but it's a serious step with long-term consequences. In 2025, the process has some updates due to new regulations, like simplified online filing options, so let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Educate yourself on the types. The most common are Chapter 7, which liquidates assets to pay debts, and Chapter 13, which sets up a repayment plan. Check the official U.S. Court's website for 2025 guidelines to see which fits your needs. Next, gather your documents. You'll need financial statements, tax returns from the last 2 years, a list of creditors, and details of your assets and income. Organization is key here. Think of it as preparing for a big financial exam. Once you're ready, head to the U.S. Trustee Program's website or your local court site to download the necessary forms. In 2025, many courts offer user-friendly digital tools, making it easier without a lawyer. Fill out the forms accurately. Mistakes can delay your case or even get it dismissed. After submitting, you'll file everything with the bankruptcy court in your district, along with the required filing fee, or apply for a waiver if you're low on funds. Don't forget the credit counseling requirement. It's mandatory and can be done online. Finally, attend your meeting of creditors. This is where a trustee reviews your case, and creditors might ask questions. Be prepared and honest. Transparency is crucial. Wrapping this up, filing for bankruptcy pro se, without a lawyer, can save money, but it's risky if you miss details. In 2025, resources like free legal aid clinics are more accessible, so use them. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.